Hi guys, so in today's video we are going to tackle what could possibly be the problem if you are not receiving your Rednote verification code. Now, I'm going to rule out some of the obvious things like your network and that you've put in your phone number correctly, because those would be the first things to check. Some users have reported that all they needed to do was to restart their phones. So that could be a caching problem. Other users have reported that what they did was disconnect from their Wi-Fi and switch to their mobile network. Again, this could be a Rednote problem with congestion, as again, there has been an influx of new users to the Rednote app after the whole TikTok debacle. Now, you do have the option of contacting Rednote customer support, but they'd probably tell you the same things that we're telling you right now. So maybe leave it for a while and come back to it at another time. Maybe you tried during the day and now try again at night. Also, some SMS apps have a spam folder. For those using Truecaller, you might experience that. So check that the verification code is not going directly into the spam folder. And those are the general solutions, guys. Like I say, usually it's just about there being a ton of users flocking to Rednote all at once. So that's all I've got for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.